Not too sure about the stairs yet, though.
No, doesn't really do stairs. Brakes.
Still a little scared. Still a little timid. Aren't you?
Hi! Giggly. Yeah.
It's a giant dog.
Turn him inside.
You're a giant dog.
Yeah.
I'm getting puppy breath all over me. He's so cute. Wrigley is his name. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's sitting straight up.
Good boy.
He sits pretty.
Good boy. It's nothing.
He's very cute. He's very friendly. Yeah. He's got
No,
gorgeous ears.
Stay down. You can't come up here
Sorry,
yet.
you're probably busy. We just
Aw.
have to share.
So he